Okay, in your writing, you've had some very useful examples of what's meant by the constructal law in nature. You use the example of the human lung. You use the example of a river system. You use the example of a tree. Would you mind drawing one of those just so that someone can actually visualize what you mean by the structure that underlies a flow system? What does that look like?
That starts from the area. Here is the whole area receiving water, and water seeps downhill. The rain keeps falling. This water is looking for a lower space, or called a valley, and before you know it, where there was just wet mud, a stream develops. Instead of, the water in the first rivulet finds it easier to flow by flowing together with a neighbor. And then this goes on for on the entire territory. You get the big river that finally discharges itself either straight into the ocean, which is through an estuary, or through an estuary plugged by silt, which is called delta. And the delta is the reverse of this design, meaning if this is exhaling from the lung, the delta is inhaling the water of the big river.
Could you simply phrase the constructal law?
The constructal law in the simplest way is as follows. For a flow system to persist in time, which means to live, it must evolve freely such that it provides easier and easier access to its currents. So everything that flows from an area to one point impresses us with the drawing of a tree. Not only the tree in the garden, but the tree of the river basin, the tree of the human lung, the tree of the snowflake. So this is the phenomenon of design or organization in nature.